question from yesterday. So on the top, right here, right on top, it says to find the probability of an event, we have to find out the number of times the event occurs and then divide it by the total number of outcomes. You can leave your answer as a fraction, you can change it to percent, or you can leave it as a decimal. Okay, so we're going to do a few examples. I need you to copy all the examples in your notebook. You can translate it, so you're going to copy it in English, and then you're going to translate it into Chinese or Spanish. First question. A cube, this is a cube, right? A die. And it has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? There's 6 numbers on the die. Find the probability of rolling a 6. Express your answer as a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. So, the die has a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? The die, so again, the name of this is a die. Or you can call it a number cube. Number cube. Let me see if I can get a cube here. Are there any 3Ds? No, there's no cube. Wait. No. But anyways, so that's a number cube. And it's asking you for the probability of rolling a 6. So, I want to get the number 6. So, if the 6 comes out, I win. So how many 6s do you have over here? There is only 1 6. How many different choices? Total number of possibilities that can happen here. Well, you can roll a 1, you can roll a 2, you can roll a 3, you can roll a 4, you can roll a 5, or you can roll a 6. But there's only 1 6. So that is this one. 1 6 over 6. So you have, and 1 over 6, if you take the calculator and you could divide 1 divided by 6, you're going to get 0.1666666 forever and ever. And if you change, so this is as a fraction, so this is your answer as a fraction. You can leave your answer as a decimal, which not too popular. Or you can change this decimal to a percent. So here's a decimal. We multiply that by 100, and you get 16.666%. So, and this is, again, if you remember from yesterday, here's 0%, this is 50%, this is 100%, this is impossible, right? 0% is something that's impossible to happen. This is certain, for sure, guaranteed to happen. This is, right here, unlikely, small chance of happening. This is likely, a good chance of happening. And the 50% is called as likely as not. So, in this case, 1 over 6, or getting a 6 on the die, is, and I'll highlight this, unlikely. Okay. Let's go to question 2. A penny, which is a coin, right? Let me see if I can take that picture of a penny. Okay, so this is a penny. Okay. Penny has 2 sides, has that side. Well, actually, I should have taken a picture of this one. So, a penny has 2 sides. A coin has 2 sides, right? in English, we call this heads, and we call this tails. Okay, so they're tossing a penny, and you want the probability that it's going to land on heads. So probability, right? So let me write this again. Probability, the chance, right? So P, probability, the chance that when you throw this coin, it lands on heads. Well, a coin has how many outcomes? It's either heads or tails. So there's two outcomes, right? Because there's 1, 2. But how many heads do we have? There's only one heads. So I don't want to confuse you. I'm going to take this out. There's only one heads, right? So the chance of getting heads is 1 over 2. Now 1 divided by 2 is 50%. So that says 1 divided by 2 is 0.5 or 50%. A fraction, a decimal, and a percent, 50%. No, that's about it. So again, please copy the question. I want these examples in your notebook. Okay, and I mean all of these. Find the probability of rolling a 2, a 3, or a 4 on the number cube. So this is a number cube, right? Remember, number cube. Right? It has the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, right? And you want the probability of 2, or 3, or 4. Now, probability of 2 or 3 or 4. So remember, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total at the bottom, the total is 6, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different outcomes. Now, on top, you want the outcomes that you want. You want a 2, or a 3, or a 4. So there is 3 of them. So the probability of rolling a 2, a 3, or 4 is 3 over 6, which is the same thing as 1 over 2. And you can change that 1 divided by 2, 0.5, or 50%, which is as likely as not. Okay. 4. Find the probability of not rolling a 6 in a number cube. So again, here's a number cube, right? So P, probability of not a 6. So again, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What does not a 6 means? Not a 6 means this is yes, this is yes, this is yes. The 1 is a yes, the 2 is a yes, the 3 is a yes, the 4 is a yes, the 5 is a yes, and this is a no. So again, what's the total number of outcomes that we can have? We can have 6 different outcomes, but not a 6 would be, and I'll highlight the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, or 6. So that is 5 over 6. So again, divide this. And if you divide that, you can have 0.83, 3333333 forever and ever. We can change that to a percent, which is 83.33%. 5. Now we have a bag that has blue. Let me change, hopefully. Oh, there we go. We have a blue. There's 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue marbles, 8 red, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 green. And then it's asking us to find the probability of not red, green, yellow, blue, and then yellow or blue. Okay, so let's do this one. Give me 1 second. Sorry. So going back to this problem, what is the probability of getting not red? So let's do the first one. Let me move this to the side. Oops. Can I move this to the side? No. Move this to the side. Come on. Yes. Move this back. Okay, so first one. Not red. So no, 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 no. So not red. Well, first of all, what's the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the total is 20. Not red is blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 7, right? There's 5 here and 7. So that would give us 12 out of 20, which you can simplify, right? Divide by 4, divide by 4, gives you 3 out of 5. And then we can change that to a percent, which is 0.6 or 60%. Okay. Green. So the second one. P of green. What's the probability that you put your hand in the bag and you get a green one? Well, again, the total, right, is 5 plus 8 plus 7, which is 20. How many green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 20. Again, you can divide, right? You can divide 7 divided by 20, and you're going to get times 4, 35, 0.35, or 35%. Third one, P of yellow. What's the probability of getting a yellow? Well, you're going to look here. There is no yellow. So that is 0%, which is impossible. Okay. Probability of blue, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a total of 20, so 5 over 20, which is, if you divide, right, 0.25 or 25%, which is, sorry, and I should have done this before, unlikely. Yellow or blue? Well, is there yellow? So no yellow. But is there blue? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 20. So it's the same as D. Unlikely. A standard deck of cards. So let me see if I can get a picture. Here. No, maybe, okay, here. That's better. This, oops. This is a deck of cards. So in English, right, this is deck of cards. These are called the clubs. These are called the spades. These are called the hearts. And these are called the diamonds. Right? So ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, queen, and then king. Okay? So think about it. What's the probability that you can pick a black card? Well, if you think about it, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 times 13, there's a total of 52 cards in here. So the probability, the first one, letter A, P of black, right? There's black cards, red cards, and red cards. So black cards, there's 26 out of 52, or 1 over 2. Second one, 7 of hearts. So I'm gonna write P over here, 7 of hearts. Well, 7 of hearts is this guy right here. So it's 1 out of 52. A diamond. Diamonds are these guys here, diamonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many diamonds? There are 13 diamonds out of 52, or 1 over 4. Not a spade. No spade, no. So I'm crossing over all the spades. So not a spade would be all the clubs, all the hearts, all the diamonds. And that's going to give us 39 over 52, or 3 over 4. A queen. Well, how many queens do we have? Let me take this out. 1 queen, 2 queens, 3 queens, 4 queens. So 4 out of 52, or 1 out of 13. This one, not a king. Not a king. So no king, no king, no king, no king. So it would be 52 minus 4, which is 48. So we get 48 out of 52. We can simplify this. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We get 24 over 26. We're going to divide by 2 again. And we get 12 over 13. A 5 or a 6. The probability of getting a 5 or a 6. 5, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'd be 8 over 52. Divide by 4 is 2. Divide by 4 is 13. Okay, so these are the problems we're doing today. So I hope you guys copied all the questions, and then again, translate it if you need. Okay? No, I actually want you to translate it.